So what you just saw was that of my cloud switching off the lights exactly at 9:30 p.m. So this is the controller what we have. So here is what I have, a manual override switch. So let me just switch on the lights. So I have my controller which would automatically turn on the light at 6:30 p.m. in the evening and switch it off at 9:30 p.m. in the night. So everything is controlled by the cloud, and we have the ESP8266 controlling the lights. So we'll see how it is controlled over the cloud, Google Cloud now. So let's see how we have designed the system over the Google Cloud. So what I have initially is an ESP8266 which connects over Wi-Fi and looks for the state of the lights on a Firebase DB. Okay, this is a Firebase DB. So this is what we saw at 9:30 p.m. This became 00. If it was between 6:30 and 9:30, it would be 10. I have only one light switched on. So we can actually expand it to make it two lights switched on with 1 or the other light switched on with 01, which we have talked about in the previous video. So this Firebase gets updated with a cloud function. So cloud function is a part of the Google Cloud. So I have a simple Node.js script which checks whether the current time in my time zone is greater than 6:30 p.m. and less than 9:30 p.m. In that case, it switches on my single light, this light 10, and then if it is otherwise, it switches on both the lights. So how does this Google Cloud function get triggered? So this is triggered by a subscription which is triggered by a topic, a PubSub topic on the Google Cloud. So how does this PubSub get triggered? So I have a cloud scheduler. The cloud scheduler triggers the PubSub every day at 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. at 10th minute, both of these at 10th minute, 20th minute, 30th minute, 40th minute and 50th minute. So I would like to mention this entire setup. This is more than sufficient for my setup in the free tier. So I don't get any bill from the Google Cloud. What we have here, this entire cloud setup on the Google Cloud is free of cost for the free tier for my usage. So we'll see that on the Google Cloud itself. So this is the Google Cloud platform what I have. So this is the cloud scheduler. As you can see, it is triggered from 10th minute to 50th minute every 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. So what this does is it actually triggers a PubSub topic. So if I can go to the topic, this is the PubSub topic, and I have the subscriptions here, and I have my subscriptions here. So this subscription is going to trigger my is consumed by my cloud function. So if you can see here, this is my cloud function. So I have my trigger here, which is a cloud PubSub, and it is subscribed to this. And this cloud function is going to trigger, is going to update my Firebase console. So if I can go and check your Firebase, check my Firebase. So I have my cloud real-time database, Firebase database, and here is where I have my setup. So here is where I have my setup, which has the 0 or 1. So I can manually turn it on using the Firebase console, as well as create an Android app to go and update this Firebase console as well. So this should go and update. This should go automatically turn on or turn off my lights. Thanks for watching.